Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week. We are heading towards the end of the month and end of the second quarter. Overall market is consolidated, but we managed some decent profit today. As you know, we are intraday trader. So let me share with you guys how I analyzed today and help my traders to squeeze very decent profit. And if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, so feel free to join my fast growing trading community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you how I did today. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD chart, if you look at the 4-hour chart at the market open, we have this beautiful breakout trade here, and afterwards we have another beautiful breakout trade here. So we had a two long trade on Euro USD, and the target was the previous high, which price nicely hit. Let me share with you the entries. That was a pretty straightforward, as you can see here. This was the analysis at the just before London Open, guys. You can see at 7:36 I did this analysis. Look for this breakout. Momentum was bullish. That was a pretty straightforward breakout. As soon as the price hit target, we banked some profit on Euro USD. And at the New York session, again, you can see here, that was the London morning session breakout, and this was the New York session. As you can see here, price came back here and we had a beautiful breakout based on the momentum. And as soon as the price hit to the previous high in 4-hour, that's what explained my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see here we had such an amazing beautiful trade on Euro USD, long trade here, and pound dollar we had a both long and short trade here. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we have sort of like a consolidation, and we had a trade this morning. As soon as the price hit to this resistance level, bank some profit. Then we have also counter short trade here, bank some profit. As soon as the price hit to the previous low, we also had a long trade here. So let me share with you guys how I analyze these entries within this small moves. Beautiful, amazing trade on pound dollar. Okay, so if you look at here, we had this trade that was the pretty straightforward at the London morning session. That was the pretty straightforward breakout, symmetric triangle pattern breakout. And after the breakout, we have, look here, the price broken, and after the breakout, pull back, long trade, nicely hit profit target, bank some profit. After banking some profit, price hit to the major resistance level, price reverse. But as you see, as you mentioned in the price action, so price broken this previous high, so technically expecting a pullback, but the safest trade, price broken this one. So that's what I explained my trade. If the price gonna break long here, if the price gonna break short trade here, because the price was at the major resistance level. So you can see here you can see here price broken after the breakout, price retest, and that was the beautiful as short trade here. Another short trader bank some profit as soon as the price hit to the support level. After banking some profit, I did another analysis, pretty straightforward. That was the expecting a first priority pullback around this level, short trade here. If not, then break and retest. As you can see here, price did not develop any pullback, price broken as mentioned in the analysis. As you can see here, broken and retest, momentum was bullish. We have another beautiful long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, and again at the same level, explain my traders time to bank some profit. So you can see here we managed decent profit on both Euro USD, pound dollar, dollar CAD. We had a beautiful trade, guys. We were short from last week. We had this breakout and we bank amazing profit, and this at the market open we also had this pullback, and then we also had a counter long trade here. And let me share with you the entries. That was the pretty straightforward, beautiful. Okay, so at the Asian session, pretty straightforward, explain, look for pullback, which you can see here based on the analysis. Beautiful pullback as soon as the price hit this level, bank some profit this morning. And I did another analysis, look for another pullback. As long as we see any pullback, we have another small pullback, and which we came out at the break even, but we managed few pps. And afterwards you can see here price broken the previous high. As mentioned, look for another pullback. You can see here price nicely developed pullback, another pullback, the price was rejecting it at this 4-hour measure. This is the daily resistance level, and you can see here previous line. Once I see the price develop triple top here, I said to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So you can see, guys, how we analyze in 4-hour, how we analyze entries and exit in intraday, and banking profit every single day. So the most important part of it and interesting part of it, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. Or if you are struggling in this forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time with the live market through live intraday analysis. So if you're interested how I coach and train my traders with the live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my team member will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.